We stand on shoulders of giants, and that's why we have come here to 50 years. This was started by two public nurses, and on the first day, they started giving out blankets. They saw the need, and I just wonder that did they even imagine? Did the nurses even imagine how the seeds that they had sown would bring the huge tree that is now bearing fruits and giving shade to so many people? It is incredible that we are now serving thousands of people, coming from 12 people to serving thousands. It is just a journey that has been made possible by our community.
West Valley Community Services' mission is to unite the community to fight hunger and homelessness. Our vision for our community is everyone has food on their table and a roof over their head. In these last 50 years, we have seen so much growth, and we have also adapted, and we are providing some very unique programs and services. One is our market. We provide free groceries to families who come to us, and it is like a grocery store. They can shop for their own food. The market is run by volunteers, and we also have a mobile operation that we call the Park It Market. It's a 29-foot food truck that goes out to our communities. We serve community colleges, faith communities, public schools, and also affordable housing in Saratoga, Los Gatos, and West San Jose.
Our staff and team is strong. We work hard and with passion and compassion, and most of all, we have the ability to pivot. Whether it's COVID, whether it's capital campaign, whether the needs of the clients are changing, the environment is changing, whatever it is, we suit the community's need and we pivot to match whatever the needs of the clients are.
The other unique thing that West Valley Community Services offer is case management. Case management is in the core of our services. When a client comes to us, we try to make sure that we understand their life situation and help design a plan for them to move them towards self-sufficiency. Case managers help the clients to navigate the social services system, public benefits, and help them to bring all these services in one location. So we have a one-stop shop approach so that when clients come to us, we have all these services that they can benefit from at our locations, and clients don't have to be referred out or go find these resources in their community on their own. The services that we offer here are pet clinic for clients who've not been able to take their pets to the doctor, to the vet, neutering, vaccination. We have mental health clinics or providers who come here and help our clients with their mental health need. We do a hearing check, eye checkup. All these services happen in our location here so that clients don't have to go anywhere else, but when they come to get food, they can get all these additional services as well.
One of the things that I'm very, very proud that we have worked as a team together is Chefs of Compassion. It was a model that we would find celebrity chefs in the community who would take things from our pantry to create one dish and enter a competition. And then that dish is replicated by our caterers to serve 400 to 500 people. When you sit down, a celebrity chef comes on stage, and that's when the food is served, and they're talking about what inspired them to become a chef in life and why they have created dish. The colors, the crackle, the softness, what is that dish made of, and how creative they have been in creating that dish for especially you.
Due to the increasing housing cost and the increased cost of food, lack of affordable housing, lack of affordable childcare, and also due to the increasing cost of transportation, gas, our clients live paycheck to paycheck. 90% of our clients are paying 70% of their income towards rent. This leads them doing 2 jobs and still not being able to have enough saved for a crisis. When they come to our market, they are able to get their groceries and save about $400 a month. Hence, they have savings now for other financial crises that might happen. By coming to case management, they are able to know about all these public benefits. That also helps them to build their assets. So the programs and services that West Valley Community Services provides helps our client to build their assets, to have saving, and to be self-sufficient if there is a crisis.
Real estate is prime in the Bay Area. So our grocery store partners often are unable to store extra food and extra things. And so a lot of the food that is actually good and usable often goes to waste. And then we have community members who are going hungry. So millions of pounds of food that are thrown away that create greenhouse gases. And on the other hand, here are community members who don't have food to eat. West Valley Community Services comes in the middle, takes the food that's going to go to waste, and sorts the good food out, shelves them, and puts them in the food market. So our community members who are in need of food can come there and actually have nutritious food available for their families. We do protein, we do dairy, we do vegetables, we do produce, and everything that's good and nutritious for families that are in need of. It's just not enough to give away food. We also make sure that people are educated about nutrition. We have nutrition classes, we have signs all through our market saying which is heart healthy, which is good for people, and actually we put all of the desserts at the end so that people take nutritious food and then when they're exiting, they can have the desserts. So we value nutrition. We want to promote nutrition and we advocate about nutrition because West Valley Community Services is not just concerned about the population today, but for the generations to come tomorrow.
Other than offering programs and services, West Valley Community Services is also involved in advocacy work. We are working hard with our clients who are our lived experience advisory committee to help us advocate on policies that will impact hunger and homelessness in our community.
The model of West Valley Community Services is simple, it's powerful, it's resourceful, and it's extremely effective. West Valley Community Services is bigger than staff, bigger than the team, bigger than partnerships. It is this huge concept of serving the people that has continued for 50 years, and we will make ourselves relevant and we will make sure to continue serving the community for the next 50 years and beyond.